Guys, what's up? How you doing? In this video, I'm going to be showing you an apartment tour, my £430 a month apartment tour. It's small, but it gets the job done. And if you're considering moving to the UK, I'd like to show you what 450, what £430 can get you here in Chester, England. Okay, let's go. Firstly, if you don't know me, I'm Absalom Popola. I'm a full-time computer science student in the University of Chester, and I live in Chester. And I also run a web design freelance business. I'm trying to get to $10,000 a month. I'm documenting the journey here, but apparently I'm also living and I have costs to pay. So I thought I should share what I do and how I go about it, paying rent and other stuff. So with that said, let's get into it. So firstly, because I'm a student, I don't pay council tax. It's one of the tax that you pay when you are living in the UK. But students are exempted from it, and in depending on some areas, depending on some areas or the apartment type, council tax can be as much as £40 a month, or up to like 300, £400 a month, depending on where you stay. So it's quite pricey. With that said, let me look at my checklist and yeah, start with the bed. The bed is a single bed. It's a single bed and yep. The space under it is where I keep my shoes and my slippers and whatever I want to wear on my foot. The space isn't big enough to keep my luggages, so I keep my luggages near my table. But that aside, that's bed done. What else? Let's talk about the shelves and the drawers. The drawer is quite nice. The shelf is also where I keep everything from my gadgets to hair cream, body cream, things that I use my body and my tech stuff. Most of them go here. It's very messy. I keep food stuff like cereals and legs here because I don't want to be. Okay, that's one thing. I live in the topmost floor in this house, so it's like a story building, if one story building, and there's like one layer and another layer. So I live near the roof, exactly near the roof. I don't have any windows in my room. My only window is the one up there, and I like it like that. No distractions. And when you open it, you can see the sky, you can see other houses, and I like the view. Honestly, it's quite nice. Um, yeah, yeah. So we've talked about the windows already. Cool. We'll talk about the shelves and drawers too. Cool. Also, luckily for me, this house came with a table, and this table is where I do all my work. So my MacBook, my desk, and I also happen to have this biscuits container. I bought biscuits one time, and from there I've been putting my biscuit there. So while I work, I just eat something because I can't help it. I just need to eat something. I don't know why, bro. I don't know why. Anyways, that's that. And I have a jug. I bought this for myself, but this house came with a lamp, so it's very nice. I like the lamp. It's nice. So we'll talk about the table. Yeah, talk about the shoes. Yeah, my film gear and equipment management. So since I also film videos, I do content, I do freelance design, I'm also studying computer science. Where they keep my gears? Honestly, right under this table because it is quite a mess. Like I've still not figured out how to take care of all of these things, but somehow I'm managing and I'm surviving with it. I plan to move to a bigger apartment later this year, but right now I'm saving on cost because apartments can be as expensive as £750 a month. A studio apartment where there's a bigger bed, your own kitchen, your own space, but it's not that big too. It's still something small, but everything is yours. You don't have to share with anybody. I don't want that. I want something bigger. I don't mind sharing, but I want a bigger space. So till I can afford that, I'm staying here. And what else? What else? What else? What else? Honestly, I don't know what else to say again. The goal of this video was to just talk about housing and how I cope with housing. I pay £430 a month. Where did I find an apartment? If you go on spareroom.co.uk, yep, they have people lease out their houses, their rooms over there. So rather than going to an agent that's more expensive, spareroom.co.uk actually helped me a lot. I also found out that there are Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. People talk about Facebook groups. I tried them out. They didn't really help me when I was looking for apartments. Everybody just saying like, oh, DM me, and then someone wants to scam you. So I don't recommend it. But if you are very, I don't recommend it personally because I haven't tried it yet. But if you are very in a rush and it's urgent for you, check Facebook groups out. Just search apartments, student accommodation in Chester, in accommodation in Liverpool. in wherever you are trying to study in the UK, and you definitely find something for you. Yeah, so normally people show their entrance, no, that'll be the last thing I'll show, probably, if I ever see it at all, because it's just a staircase, I'll go all the way up, and there's a toilet. Apparently, this place has two toilets, one bedroom, and one kitchen. It's quite small and a bit crampy sometimes, but it's manageable. I feel like if you don't go to the UK and just get the opportunity the first world country offers, honestly, I mean, don't spend too much on apartments unless you know it's going to help you with whatever you're aiming for. For example, now if I make content, the way your place looks nicer is also shows. It's also a nice way to show like on social media in a way like, oh, my apartment and all. But man, some places that go as much as £3,000 a month. If you're a student, what are you doing with £3,000 a month? So definitely be wise about it. And yeah, get to work, grind. And I hope this was interesting to watch. By the way, if you haven't liked this video, please definitely like it. I don't know. I think I better start asking about these things. I want to get to like 10K subs this year. Hope it's not a bad idea. I'm gonna be consistent. Design, freelancing, UK life. I'm gonna show up, bro. So please support, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.